leaving to OOTY right now. I am happy, excited, and at the same time nervous also. I'm happy and excited because I'm going to see my batchmates after a long time. And I'm nervous because we are organizing it. Myself and my friend Satish, we are organizing this, and we just want everything to happen perfect. See you there. On my way to pick up some of my friends. They're coming with families, so we're just picking them up and moving towards OOTY. Hi, we have reached the hotel now. People are just coming in. So waiting for all of them to come. This is the hotel where we'll be staying. This is the Hotel Highland Accord, and I will take you to a small tour. Have arrived and we are still waiting for the others to come. The plan is we are moving to the botanical garden today evening. We are all ready and set to move to the botanical garden. The vehicle is ready. We are waiting for the people to come, and then we move to the botanical garden. Okay, we have reached the botanical garden. This is the botanical garden parking area, and it's the market there. I'll have to get the tickets and go inside. We're already getting late. It's 5:30 now, and they'll close the gate by 5:30. Came back from the botanical garden now. Place was really neat. That's the first thing that I should say, that compared to a few years when I had seen it, it's much more neater now and it's much more greenier. And we were actually expecting rains, but thank God the rains were not there. Everybody enjoyed being in botanical garden. We're just hoping that this weather holds on for another 2 more days so that there'll not be any change in plans. And now it's time to light it up. It's a campfire followed by dinner. way from long distances and coming towards OOTY. So probably everybody will be going to rest early, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Day 2 of the reunion now, morning 8 o'clock, and the weather was very cold at night, but it was fun. So today the plan is to go to Paikara and have lunch and get back, and then we have a banquet dinner at night. All of them have finished their breakfast and we are waiting for the vehicle to come to start to Paikara. We are here at the 9th mile and we have to climb up that big hill. We are getting to the top of the hill. Takes some energy to climb up the hill. Does not require fitness. All you have to do is hold your breath and walk up for some time. The Paikara boat house, and this is Amjad dancing. We just finished the lake. Now we are walking towards Paikara Falls. You'll have to walk around 1 kilometer to reach that. It's not a big falls or anything, but it's a small falls with a river flowing through, and it's a pleasant place to walk through. This is the Paikara waterfalls. It's not a big falls, it's actually a river, and the river is just flowing down into a falls there. This is how it is. The weather is beautiful, it's cloudy, it's about to rain. Just hoping that it does not rain now. The rain has helped us for all this time, and this is the last place that we are visiting, and I just hope it does not rain now.
No formal talks, only party. Kavya and Harsha for that. So they kept the group alive. Seriously, they kept the group alive. Every morning when you wake up, you see Kavya's message teasing Harsha, Harsha giving back an answer for that. I am still waiting for the red lungi. Where is that?
That was a very nice Saturday night party. It was great to see everybody forget about their day-to-day life stress, their work schedules, and they were just jumping on the dance floor. Literally, they were reliving their teenage days. And today is Sunday morning and everybody have started to leave. At the end you feel so happy that you have hosted a nice reunion, which is such a good memory for every one of them. But at the same time, it feels so heavy that you will not be able to see all of them together for at least another year. We have planned the next reunion at Delhi at the end of October next year. One last thing that I would like to say is this reunion is not just a reunion where you just meet your friends, sit and chat some time and just go back home. What we had seen here is everybody were creating memories. So that is the ultimate point of a reunion. So I think it's important that every one of them turns out for the reunion and create a memory which will never be ever forgotten in your lifetime. If you can see behind me, it's actually raining here in OOTY. I have to thank the rain that it did not play a spoil sport when we have to go out and roam around on OOTY and come back. Not a drop of rain happened for the last 2 days. So I hope you all enjoyed, had fun, and it was great hosting all of you. And I wish I could do it again for you. So that's it for now. This is Prakash checking out from OOTY and waiting to see you all in Delhi again. See you guys. Thank you for coming.